that's Rooster crowing. But anyways, let's go. It's a bit warm at my area. I guess you can now see it properly. There's some corn growing in that garden. And whatever thatching. Oh. So there's chickens there. Oh. I ain't flexible enough. Is there a chicken and Acer chicks? Acer juveniles? This is not a thing you eat. Hey, this is not a thing you eat. So these are young chickens. No, this is not a thing you eat. And the Acer guy, he's on camera. Dang, the juveniles are just following me around. And that's also rooster. That's a younger rooster. And that's a other young rooster. And also, you little chickling. This is not. Oh! So, this is our chicken house. Hey, don't shake the